Babe, come on now, you're busy.
This year, next year, never. Baba, when will you marry?
My husband was located this year. From the east, from the north, from the south, I don't care. You must locate me this year. Oh Lord Jesus.
Good morning, Jerome. Please, I need a relationship.
Be safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside,